woke up way too late to actually eat breakfast. So for lunch, I'm just having one of these fruit and veggie blenders that come in a little pack that makes you a little smoothie. And it has spinach, mangoes, apples, and pineapples. And I'm just gonna use orange juice to be a little liquid in it. So I'm gonna make that. So here I'm just putting the little bag of frozen fruit in my NutriBullet with the orange juice. I'm just getting it blended, and it took me forever to really get the consistency because I'm just really bad at using the NutriBullet. So everything is nice and blended. I'm just gonna put in this little mason jar right now. It's nice and green. Just gonna open it up. A nice little smoothie. So this is the finished product, and it tastes really good. I'm a little hungry right now, so I'm just gonna have this sweet and salty nut almond granola bar as a little snack. I'm still kind of hungry, but it's not exactly dinner time, so I'm just gonna finish off this fruit bowl, and it just has some watermelon and cantaloupe in it. Tonight I'm gonna be cooking some bow tie pasta, and I just have some carrots, a little bit of spinach, broccoli, and onions. I'm gonna all mix in, and I'm probably just going to top it off with some olive oil. So I'm gonna get this all nice and cut up and put that on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off this big chunk because I know I'm not gonna eat this part. Get this all nice and chopped up. I like mine to be kind of bigger, but like this, I'm gonna cut them up smaller just so it's easier to put in. Just gonna cut them up small. I'm also going to cut down the little bitty carrots as well, just so they're smaller. I'm going to get those cut up as well. I've got all the veggies all nice and chopped up now. And luckily the onion is already chopped. I got my water going. I'm just going to go ahead and pour a little bit in, not too much. And now I'm going to go eat my pasta and veggies. I'm just drinking a ginger ale to help wash down my dinner. So it's about 10 o'clock right now, and I started craving waffles, so I'm just using the Kodiak Cakes buttermilk batter. I'm just going to put some Toll House chocolate chips in it. And I'm using my mini dash for it. Instead of water, I just put in some chocolate almond milk into the batter, and I have all the chocolate chips in it. So now it's ready to go. Batter in, and I'm just going to close this and leave it in there for about 2 minutes. Here's my little dessert, my yummy waffles, my chocolate chip waffles. And this is also the end of what I've ate in a day. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.